it's a sad, sad day in Biloxi, Mississippi. Oh, it's a sad, sad day. Burger, what a burger it was. Closed permanently. So sad, so sad. But we do have some recommendations, so don't stay sad long. Burger was on 1039 Howard Avenue in Biloxi, Mississippi. And you can see our old review on the channel. And we would recommend you trying the Project Lounge. We've got a video for that, and the links are in the description below. Or check out Camphouse Burger Bar in Long Beach, Mississippi. Also a very, very fine burger. Burger was a fantastic burger. You can see our old review on the Traveling to See channel. The announcement for Burger that it was closed was posted on Facebook, and also the Sun Herald newspaper, local newspaper, has an article about Burger closing. The owners have retired and closed the doors permanently. We wish them well. They did a great job. But here are the alternatives. Project Lounge, rated #1 sports lounge in America. And also the Camphouse Burger Bar in Long Beach, Mississippi. Both very good. And if you're going to be visiting coastal Mississippi, be sure to check out coastalmississippi.com. Tell you all about what's happening on the Mississippi Gulf Coast and what's going to be next on Traveling to See. With the way to find out is to like and subscribe so you can see these and other great videos. And for restaurants across the Mississippi Gulf Coast, we've got playlists that covers our top 5 choices, community by community, across the entire Gulf Coast. Also, top attractions across the Mississippi Gulf Coast, community by community, county by county, including the Barrier Islands. So check that out. So, sorry to give you the bad news about Burger, but pleased to give you a couple of fine alternatives. So keep watching, keep traveling, enjoy life, God bless, and see you in our next video. Hopefully happier.